Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
Looking for something lighter and more portable than a kayak to aid in your fishing trips? You need paddle boards. Using a stand-up paddle board to fish can be quite an experience, and with a little practice, you'll find that it's very comfortable to use. Our guide video on the 9 best paddle boards has all the choices you could hope for. We've included quite a few types of paddle boards, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the paddle boards, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 9. Pathfinder Inflatable Paddleboard. Are you looking for a paddleboard? Look at this Pathfinder Inflatable SUP stand-up paddleboard. This paddleboard can be your best choice. It is great for all-day family fun wherever the next paddling adventure takes you. This Pathfinder Inflatable SUP stand-up paddleboard is crafted with durable PVC material. It has a strong multi-layer drop stitch. The length of this board is 10 feet. It provides a 31 inches of deck width and 5 inches deck thickness. It has a large deck pad, bungee for securing onboard cargo, and D-ring to attach a leash. The paddleboard includes an adjustable paddle, pump, detachable center fin, and valve wrench. It is great for a wide range of water and uses conditions. The wide stance ensures stability for fishing, yoga, and family activities. Number 8. Acoway Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The inflatable stand-up paddleboard from Acoway is a great option for both new and experienced paddleboarders. It's easy to use, stable, and affordable. This paddleboard is made of high-quality PVC material. Its mesh structure with unmatched strength, strong construction, and a weight limit of up to 400 pounds. It is stable in the water and can be used well by beginners. It is 10.6 feet long, 32-inch wide, 6-inch thick, and the weight is 22 pounds. This paddleboard has a detachable bottom panel fin that enhances stability and balance. It improves speed, steering, and handling. It is a soft, cushioned non-slip traction pad to boost the rider's balance. The inflatable paddleboard accessories include aluminum paddles, backpacks, rotatable ankle sleeve safety ropes, gliders, repair kits, a waterproof bag, and a manual air pump that is bidirectional. It also has a free waterproof bag for mobile phones with the purchase of an inflatable stand-up paddleboard. It can be quickly inflated or deflated. It is easy to store and carry. It is also ideal for lakes, rivers, or oceans. Number 7. Dama Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The inflatable SUP stand-up paddleboard comes with everything you need to start paddling: the 10-feet inflatable paddleboard, sports camera bracket mount on the SUP board, 3-piece length adjustable floating paddle, double action hand pump which has an air pressure gauge, safety ankle leash, repair kit, removable fin, 5L waterproof bag, transparent waterproof cell phone bag, a large comfortable backpack to hold everything. It is designed with 10 feet long length. It is made of military ultralight PVC drop stitch fabric. This paddleboard has an anti-slip soft deck, which ensures safety and enhances grip for the kids. It is a super stable inflatable paddleboard and very easy to keep balance. This board has a 3-piece collapsible aluminum paddle that is floating. It also has an ergonomic weight, which is 45% lighter than the standard SUP paddles. This inflatable paddleboard is very convenient to set up. It comes with a unique extra steel D-ring that brings extra convenience to carry. It is suitable for touring, yoga, exploring, or drifting in both fresh and salt water.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 6. All Surf and SUP Paddleboard. This paddleboard is rigid and stable for riders of all skill levels. It is perfect for activities like flatwater paddling, yoga, fishing, and more. This construction makes the cruiser rigid like an epoxy SUP and super durable like an inflatable. This paddleboard is rugged construction with a comfortable soft top. The ultra-durable soft top deck with crocskin padding for comfort and grip. Its molded EPS foam core with dual wood stringers for strength and rigidity. This paddleboard has a 10.5 feet long length, 32 inches wide length, and 4.5 inches thickness. It also has a 235-pound weight capacity. The wide stance ensures stability for fishing, yoga, and family activities. The paddleboard comes with all the gear you need to get on the water. It includes a carbon hybrid adjustable SUP paddle with a nylon blade, 8 inches coil leash, and nylon touring center fin. It is committed to bringing you the best quality paddleboards designed and tested by people who surf and paddle daily. Number 5. Runwave Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. This inflatable stand-up paddleboard is a great option for those looking for an easy way to get around on the water. It's perfect for beginner paddlers as well as more experienced enthusiasts. This Runwave Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is made of high-quality PVC material that is lightweight and high-intensity. It uses the toughest drop-stitch materials in the industry. The high-intensity layer is specifically manufactured for superior air holding. The length of this paddleboard is 11 feet. It provides a 33 inches of deck width for improving stability and balance while standing. This paddleboard has a non-slip top deck that provides nice performance for beginners. The Runwave foot leash makes it safe to surf and avoids the loss of your paddleboard. It is inflatable and portable. This paddleboard comes with a backpack, foot leash, high-pressure pump, 3 fins, paddle and repair accessories kit, and instruction. Number 4. FBSPORT Premium Inflatable Paddleboard. This premium inflatable paddleboard is ideal for all skill levels for fewer accidents or injuries should you fall. It is best for fishing, touring, snorkeling, spearfishing, or recreational paddling in all weather conditions. This premium inflatable paddleboard is made of the highest quality military-grade material. It provides the most durable lightweight board on the market. The length of this board is 10 feet. It provides 30 inches of deck width for improved stability and balance while standing. It has triple bottom panel fins that help the board improve overall speed. One big fin is removable, and 2 small fins are unremovable and are fixed on the board, handling and steering for easier use by kids, teens, and adults alike. This package comes with paddling essentials. It includes a board, a premium alloy paddle that floats, a coiled ankle cuff safety leash, a pump, and a premium carry bag. Number 3. FunWater Inflatable Paddleboard. FunWater is not only a stand-up paddleboard brand but represents a way of life. As technical innovators, FunWater is committed to bringing new and exciting products with the latest technology. Whether you're interested in exploring your local waterways, taking your yoga routine to the lake, or just spending quality time on the water with friends, family, and pets, FunWater is here to support you. This FunWater inflatable paddleboard is constructed of ultralight dual-layer PVC. It highly strengthens the board's durability. The board is 10.6 feet long, 33 inches wide, and 6 inches thick. The weight of this board is 17.6 pounds and the maximum capacity is up to 330 pounds. It is stable and great for all skill levels and conditions. This paddleboard comes with a package. It includes an adjustable aluminum paddle, high-pressure pump, travel backpack, coil leash, waterproof bag, and 3 removable fins. This 33 inches board width and 3 removable fins construction achieved amazing balanceability.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard by Rock is a great option for those looking for an easy-to-use and comfortable paddleboard. It is easy to set up and transport, making it a great option for any location. This paddleboard is made of the highest quality military-grade material. It provides the most durable lightweight board on the market. It has an industry-leading weight of only 17.5 pounds that's 20% lighter than competitors. The board dimension is 10 feet long by 32 inches wide and 6 inches thick with a weight limit of 300 pounds. It also has an extra-wide design that creates an incredible all-around board for people of all skill levels. It can be used in the ocean, freshwater lakes, and rivers. This paddleboard package includes a collapsible aluminum paddle, safety leash, hand pump, and waterproof bag for essentials such as cell phone and keys. It has an upgraded backpack to hold everything. Comfortable and convenient, this complete elite package will get you anywhere you want to paddle.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. SereneLife Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. This inflatable stand-up paddleboard is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an affordable and easy way to get out on the water. It comes with durable construction and a stable platform, which is perfect for beginners and experienced paddlers alike. The upgraded premium paddleboard is made of the highest quality military-grade material. It provides the most durable and stable paddleboards on the market. This paddleboard is measuring 10.6 feet long and 32 inches wide. The balancing and stabilizing on top of this SUP board is a breeze. It can be used in the ocean, freshwater lakes, and rivers. It has triple bottom panel fins that help the board improve overall speed, handling, and steering for easier use by kids. This paddleboard is 100% travel friendly. It includes a 10.6 feet board, coiled ankle cuff safety leash, aluminum paddle, manual air pump, storage bag, and waterproof bag. It is preferred by those who have a knack for adventure. That's it for today. If you like our video, then a sub will be astounding. Here are the top 9 paddleboards on the market for you. Hope you found what you are looking for. So don't forget to leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.